Hey everyone, it is Deb, and it's been a while for me to be on doing this video, but this is my hashtag Deck the Year 2024. For several weeks, I am playing a catch-up game, and this is an open collaboration hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations, where each week we take some cards. They could be playing cards like I'm using, or flashcards or other game cards, any kind of card you have, you can use them. I am working through this 52 card deck for 52 weeks in the year, but I left off, well, let's just see where I left off because I'm keeping them in this book. I had done the one for the 4th of July, which was week 27, but I had still June 13th, which I had planned on doing masculine, and June 27th. I didn't really have a style. Maybe it was a half year milestone. So I was thinking maybe like a congratulations or maybe just a crafty one. I think I'm going to go with some kind of a crafty one. I didn't do those yet. One sec. And then I had done this one, which was for July 11th, and that's where I stopped. So I started putting these little tags in here, and I was going to try and catch it up to today, which is actually not the 5th. It's the 4th of, no, is it? It's the 5th, right? I'm on the wrong calendar month on my wall. I think it's the 5th of September. Yes, Thursday, the 5th of September, week 36. But I ran out of time. I had to go walk at lunchtime, and then I kind of got off track. But I want to get this video up today on the 5th. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be weeks. I have it on my desk. Hang on. 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Now these are upside down. And what I did, it wasn't my original plan to do this, but that last one that I had done was using this, oops, I'm dropping stuff, Paige Evans, um, what is this called? I got it at Garden Shop. And I have gotten that and 2 packets of ephemera and a sticker book, which you can't see buried in there. So I decided I might as well use more of it. And the thing of it is, it's nice for summer, which, this is all August mostly, well, some July and August, which is summer still. We're still officially in summer, even though, back to school time, kids are, yeah, anyway. So these are the backs, and I'll show you each one individually. This one was a floral paper, and these were some of the ephemeras. I did bring in for this one a little piece of this, I don't know what this is called, chiffon ribbon I got at on sale at Hobby Lobby a while back. And then there's a sheet in here that is really good. It has lots of nice sayings on it, so I cut some up, and this one is just stop and smell the flowers. A lot of these are reminders for me personally. Yeah, and then I did bump this one up. Everything's glued down. Oh, and the paper on the back, this one I left the same, and I edged this one with Stampin' Up's polished pink ink, which is a retired color, but I have it and it's right in front of me, sort of, so I used it. And then this was a scrap of paper from, the top of the paper that has a different paper at the top. And then this I just put on top of that. And this I bumped it up on these 2 edges, and then I just kind of glued it, and it gives it a little curvature, which I like. And the gems I put on it here, here, and here are actually pretty in pink, and those were Stampin' Up also, and I hadn't used very many, so I used 3 of these pale pink, just here, here, and here. And that's all I did on that one. That was my start. Hey, I started. And I was really getting into crafting again. I had to stop because I had to go drive somewhere to walk with my daughter, and that's a priority. But yeah, so then I did 5 this morning, Thursday morning. This is the next one. It's a green paper with like daisies, I'll call them. These were from the ephemera pack, but I have this gold, I guess it is, although sort of looks like a green gold. This is, oh, I can't remember the name of them. It's not Wink of Stella, but it's on there. Spectrum Noir, but this is a gold sparkle pen. And it had sort of a yellowy center with other yellowy dots. Well, when you go outside onto the white, it just looks green. It's really strange, but it matched the green paper. I put a little piece of this paper on here under this ribbon, which is Offray stretch trim. I just thought the sparkle, because my sentiment I put on here is radiate positivity. So I want to try and be more of a positive person. Um, so that's important to me. That's another message for me. So I put that on there, and the back has this same paper. That was another paper in the pad that actually I think I used on the week before this one's. And that's that. And this is bumped up. This one's bumped up on dimensional dots. So week 31 for August 1st is another one with this same floral paper. This ribbon is, I really kind of goofed that up, but it's this Offray trim I've had for I don't know how long, quite a while. And there's a little blue heart down here, which you can barely see, and one of the sentiments is a full heart, and kindness grows here. Another message to me to be kind, but also I have a full heart because several of you, quite a few actually, reached out to me when I was not on YouTube and just to check on me and stuff. And I just want you to know I so appreciate that. And that did fill my heart with um, kind of a peace and also a happiness that somebody cared, yeah, somebody cared, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you all, so thank you for being here. So kindness grows here, and that one I went around the edges with a green. I can't, I can't remember what I used. I think it was soft succulent ink from Stampin' Up. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this. And that's retired also. And then I went looking for um, the glitter glue stuff, but I came across this Frosted Berry Liquid Pearls. I'm not very good with these, and that's why this kind of got all messed up. But what happened is when I put this down with Fabri-Tac, the glue still showed, so I wanted to insert pink, but I got pink on some of the petals. But, it's okay. And going around the edges, this kept getting stuck and wouldn't come out. I kept using a pin and then it would blob out, but it is what it is and it's only for me. So yeah, thank you again for filling my heart and supporting me. And then this one, um, okay, so this blue paper was in the paper pad and I went around the edges on both the front and the back with Boho Blue ink. This one, which is not yet retired, but will be when the next Stampin' Up! Annual catalog comes out, I believe. This is a piece of ephemera, so is the green leafy thing. But first, I went over that paper with these 3 washies that I just happened to have out on my desk because I was going to use them in my planner and then didn't, at least not yet. These 2 have birds on them, and this one is a floral and just says hello. So I have hello and hello, and this is a piece of the cutout that says believe in tomorrow. And this is Dollar Tree um, twine that came in a pack with blue and purple. It was one of the older packs of twine though. And these three dots are retired, I think. Yeah, because they came in with Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and I think this is Orchid Oasis. But they're, what do you call that? When they graduate in color from lighter to darker. My brain is not working. Anyway, yeah, these were in colors 22 to 2024. So I used three of those just along the edge here, and I did use a little extra glue to tack them down, and just a glue dot to put this down. Because I thought birds are always carrying nesting material, and I thought twine more closely represented that. And I love birds. I have two bluebird houses actually, but I really need to clean them out before they start nesting again, which will be soon. Well, they start hunting for houses in February, but I've had sparrows in there in the last year or so. And then the last one I did today, the back says blessed. This is a piece of ephemera that I wrote on for week 33, which would have been August 15th. And this is this golden rod kind of color with has sort of a swirly design on it, like the circles. Um, and this is like autumn fruits, looks like to me, pears and apples. And well, pears could be summer fruits. Anyway, I used to have a pear tree, but it kind of got diseased. I used several, like six or so of the ephemera leaves, and then these other ones with the copper foiling are out of the sticker book that came with it. This is a piece of ephemera also, and I just took some orange, also Dollar Tree twine. I think I put that away already. And I just wrapped it around and tied it at the side here so the little things show on both sides. I don't know why, I just liked it. And then there were these little copper hearts, so I put three of them on. And the word blessed because I truly do oftentimes feel thankful and blessed for a lot of things. In fact, I had a conversation with some higher being this morning while I was driving about how thankful I was that I have a roof over my head, food on the table, I can afford to buy what I need, clothing, heat, lights, all this money that I spent on crafts, too much money I spent on crafts, but anyway, um, yes, and guess what? I made a haul yesterday. So that'll be coming in a week or so. It's a little slow shipping, even though it's expensive shipping. Anyway, this is bumped up on dimensionals because I needed something to hold the twine down in back of it, and then I wrapped it around, like I said. Oh, and this is edged in a little bit of Memento Cantaloupe, and then I went over that with this Stampin' Write marker in Cajun Craze because that's like a good fall color, I think. I'm going to be getting more into fall very soon, so stay tuned for that. So anyway, those are my 5 Deck the Year cards for this week. I will continue to play catch up. I'm probably going to be crafting most of the day tomorrow. I'm going to take my walk early in the morning tomorrow, and because I don't know if I'll be able to at all Saturday. And I'm going to try and spend tomorrow catching up on these. And then probably Saturday, I need to work on things for other collabs because the end of next week, I'm going with my friend for her birthday, Friday the 13th, to our favorite smorgasbord place for breakfast and a little thrift shopping probably. And then the following day, weather permitting, a consignment shop near her is having a flea market outside that we're allowed to, set up tables, and she registered. And so I'm going to join her. So 2 days in a row, it's like a 40-minute drive for me, but I don't mind because I have things I was going to take to my local Goodwill, but I just soon try and get a few dollars out of it, and maybe whatever I don't sell, that consignment shop will take. I don't know. I hope so. Some of it anyway, because the least amount of stuff I have to bring back in my house, the better. And there is what I have so far through week 33. So for next week, I will catch this up through today, which is week 36. So I'll have 5 to do again, plus next week's. So I have these two, and I think I will do a masculine one. Oops. And probably a crafty one for some kind of crafty thing. And then I have ideas for these as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for coming to my channel or coming back to my channel and watching. They're very simple, really, but I'm trying to use things that I have, which is paper, ephemera, stuff like glitter glues and liquid pearls and washi tape and ribbon and you name it, I have it and I need to use it and to also get rid of some. So anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you again next week. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.